Ever wondered what's happening during an allergic reaction? Let's break it down. Allergic reactions happen when your body overreacts to harmless things, like pollen, pet dander, or certain foods. Your immune system treats these allergens as dangerous invaders, so it releases chemicals like histamine to fight them off. But here's the catch. Those chemicals cause symptoms like sneezing, itching, swelling, and even trouble breathing. That's why you get those annoying symptoms. Your body is basically going into defense mode, even though the allergen isn't actually harmful. Antihistamines can help block histamine, reducing the reaction and making you feel better. And that's how allergic reactions work, a case of mistaken identity in your immune system. Like and subscribe for more quick science facts.